Hi, this is Perky Mama. I'm using the Thomas Rush popcorn popper, and we just tried it out here. And I'll bring it over here. It's very hot right now. So it's called the popcorn maker. It's made out of 100% platinum silicone. It's BPA free, and you get a 10-year warranty. It comes with a recipe book with maybe about five or six recipes for you to use, and it explains that you use a 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels and 1 tablespoon of oil to get it, and a teaspoon of salt to get it to taste good. This is just the regular recipe that I used. So as you can see, there is a lid right here that's made out of silicone. Be careful and you take it off because it is steamy right there. This is a collapsible bowl. I have popcorn in it right now though, so I can't collapse it for you. I am posting pictures though. But as you can see, it's flexible. It's a good size popcorn bowl to share with a friend or family member. And when you wash it and put it away, you just push this down and it collapses halfway, and you can store the lid right on top of it when you do it. The kids are very excited about this. It's very easy to use and make with it. It can go up to 464 degrees Fahrenheit and is dishwasher safe and microwave safe. So you can have fun with this. As you can see, there's the picture of it collapsing. And there's also lines in here, right there. And there's another one down there, so that you can measure.
Where is the boy?
It's right in there, buddy. Okay. Actually, if we fill up their bowls right now, I can show you how it collapses. Let's see here. Can you get out another bowl, buddy, so I can show how it collapses?
Yeah. Now you can use some more.
I need another bowl. Can you get me another bowl? No? Okay. Well, I can't do it.
I can.
Okay, let's just dump that in here for right now. That bottom is still really hot, so be careful. Okay, hold on a second. Can you demonstrate? Can you push those two handles down? There you go. Perfect. So, as you can see, it folds down just like that, and then you put the lid on top. Thank you.